Simple past tense story, a short story on Ginger, the intelligent dog. In this story, you will learn how to use the past tense and how to speak correctly. Let's begin our story. Welcome to my channel Quick English by Neil Sir, a channel with stories, grammar and vocabulary learning videos. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Harry was a policeman who lived in a beautiful house near the hills. He had a pet dog named Ginger. He loved his dog very much. Every day, Ginger and he went out together on duty. Ginger used to go everywhere with Harry. They visited many places together. Ginger was a male dog and well trained to carry out his duties. He solved many police cases which were difficult for officers to solve. He performed all the tasks given to him by his master. Everyone was very proud of Ginger because he was a clever dog. After duty, they ate at a famous restaurant which they visited every day. The restaurant provided a separate section for owners who brought their pets along. They returned home once they finished their meal. On the way home, they often stopped at the candy shop and ordered some goodies for Harry's children. The entire family was very excited to play with Ginger. On Sundays, the entire family went for a short trip to the beach. They swam together along with Ginger. Ginger liked to swim. Once they reached home, Harry gave Ginger a bath and dried his fur. When they completed everything, it was time for bed. Ginger slept on his own bed while Harry and his family had their own. The whole family appreciated Ginger for his loyalty because he was a faithful and intelligent dog. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for my new videos. Till then, keep watching and keep learning.